Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get artifacts that remove radiation in Stalker 2. Radiation is one of the deadliest threats in Stalker 2. But what if I told you there are artifacts that can remove radiation entirely? Stick around to learn how to find and use these life-saving treasures. To find these artifacts, you'll need 1. A hard-tier anomaly detector, 2. Protective gear to reduce radiation exposure. Also, you'll need plenty of medkits, anti-rad drugs, and vodkas. Yes, vodka. Make sure you prepared your gear before venturing out, and consider carrying extra ammo for unexpected enemies. Now, for the good stuff, here are some locations to check for radiation-removing artifacts. Number 1 is the Cursed Swamps. Look for anomalies near stagnant water. Second one is the Radiated Mines. These spots are dangerous but often contain high-value artifacts. Third one is the Ash Flats. This area is mixed of fire and radiation anomalies. Use the detector to scan for artifact signal and to navigate carefully through anomalies. The bubble is usually found in gravitational anomalies, while the crystal is often near heat or radiation traps. Anomalies aren't your only problem. Mutants and rival stalkers also hunt these zones. Use bolts to test for hidden traps and keep your detector out while moving. Once you grab an artifact, get out quickly. Nearby enemies will hear or sense your activity. Radiation-removing artifacts are game changers for surviving the zone. Use these tips to find them and dominate high radiation areas. If you found this guide helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more Stalker 2 tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next one.